Hello friends and welcome to the Union Labor Advisory Network. I'm Mike Fina. Today we are here at 270 Park Avenue giving out lunch sandwiches to all our union members here helping to build this city, this building, and America. We'd like to thank Schwartzapfel lawyers for generously sponsoring today's lunch event through Utopia Bagels. And I want to thank you all for all your support. Thank you.
This is Dan Mikowski from Local 12 Heat and Frost Insulators and Allied Workers. Wanted to say thanks to ULA Network for coming out and buying everybody lunch. As insulators, it's so important to provide the product that we do on buildings like this to ensure efficiency, prevent heat loss, and to ensure a green environment.
Hey everyone, a big shout out to the ULA Network. They're here sponsoring the union trades and showing a lot of support to our union brothers and sisters. Thank you.